Hello everyone, welcome back to Tecktoniq. Today in this video, I will be talking about the roles and responsibilities of a data scientist and why this role is so important in the world of data and technology. This presentation focuses on the roles and responsibilities of a data scientist in today's data-driven world. It explains how data scientists help organizations by analyzing large data sets, finding patterns and trends, building predictive models, and many more. Before we begin, let's see who is a data scientist. A data scientist is a professional who uses data to solve complex problems. They collect, clean, and analyze large data sets of data to find patterns, make predictions, and help businesses make better decisions. Now, let's see the roles of a data scientist. There are many roles of data scientist. Here we will discuss the main roles. The first one is data explorer. Understand and interpret large data sets. Problem solver. Use data to solve business challenges. Model builder. Creates predictive and machine learning models. Insight generator. Discover patterns and trends in data. Decision supporter. Helps team and make informed decisions with data. Innovative driver brings new ideas using data and AI tools. Now, let's see what are the responsibilities of data scientists. Data scientists collect and clean data, analyze data, build predictive models, create reports and dashboards, communicate with stakeholders, and improve processes. So now let's see what are the tools used by data scientists. Here are the tools, programming tools like Python, R, SQL, and data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, Seaborn, machine learning tools like Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, and etc. So, the conclusion is data scientist acts as a bridge between technical data work and business strategy, helping teams across the organization understand complex data in a simple way. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the important roles and responsibilities of a data scientist.